honestly extremely happy. And if you hear that noise right there, so I finally got this S55 running again. I went ahead and replaced the EIS and all that stuff, and I have no words, honestly. I'm just so excited. I want to go drive this car. I do have to smog it too, so it kind of sucks, but I have to get it back to stock and all that stuff. But that's one step. The car's running. I'm gonna do an oil change. Obviously it's been sitting for past a year, probably a year and 5 months, I think. It's been a while, but yeah, honestly guys, I'm just so excited. So expect more content on this car again. Yeah, you can see all the mess that I've got here. Yeah, it's a lot, but I'm also gonna be doing an instructional video, and hopefully if you try to diagnose your car, I honestly misdiagnosed a lot of things, and yeah, I'm just really happy, honestly, that I'm able to get this car running again. But that's pretty much it. It's just gonna be a quick update, and hopefully stay tuned if you want to see more videos on this cars, the E92. What else do I have? Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna be doing another project if you want to see how to flip cars, if that's any interest to anyone. But yeah, that's pretty much all, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.